Star anise is very prominent in Asian and Indian cooking. Star anise has a place in traditional Chinese medicine, with the users believing it helped with relieving ailments such as colds and congestion. This video will hopefully help you understand the benefits of Star Anise tea and how to best enjoy this spice. 1. Anti-inflammatory. Star anise is similar to turmeric, with having anti-inflammatory characteristics. The anti-inflammatory properties can aid with stomach discomfort that comes with bloating. 2. Constipation. It was, and still is common for people in southern Asian countries to drink Star Anise tea as a means to help ease gas or bloating. 3. High fiber levels. Some of the carbs found in Star Anise come from dietary fiber, a type of carb that has additional benefits. The fiber in your diet softens and loosens your stool. At the same time, it adds bulk. Altogether, that means that fiber-rich meals help stave off constipation, keeping your digestive system regular. What's more, fiber-rich diets are linked to better heart health, and fiber may even lower your risk of diabetes. Star Anise's very small serving size means it can't pack in a ton of fiber. Each tablespoon has 1 gram of fiber, or between 3 and 4% of your daily needs, depending on your age and gender. But since a serving of Star Anise makes up just 2% of your daily calorie allowance, it has an oversized role in helping you meet your fiber needs. 4. Vitamins. Other than anti-inflammatory properties, Star Anise has many different vitamins found in it, such as linalool. This aids with anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial issues. Vitamin C, an antioxidant that is known to fight colds and infections. Anethol helps with brain health, diabetes, inflammation, and skin detoxification. And shikimic acid, a lot of medication for the flu has this ingredient in it. 5. Sleep. People have also found that Star Anise oil helps with sleep, and so when they have a cup of tea with the main ingredient being Star Anise, the scent of it promotes a nice calm state that readies the mind and body for sleep. Others have also found out that it has helped with decreasing their anxiety, which contributes to a restful evening. The process of making Star Anise tea is simple, and there are many different ways of making it. Many people find that the spice is very warm in itself, so it pairs up nicely with cinnamon and honey. A rather common way of making Star Anise tea is to steep the Star Anise with cinnamon sticks and either black or green tea. This cup of tea is perfect for cold nights where all you want to do is look outside at the snow falling with a warm cup in your hands. If you find that the taste is not as sweet as you would like, feel free to add in honey or agave and date syrup if you are vegan. There are other spices that people like to add to their tea, such as cardamom, ginger root, and cloves. These spices with Star Anise really bring out a strong spiced tea that can be made in a cup with boiling water or in a pot over the stove. There are some properties in Star Anise that make it similar to estrogen, and it has a similar effect to those who react more sensitively to hormonal changes, and because of the possible effect it can have on hormones, it is also advised that those who are diagnosed with hormone-dependent cancers such as breast, ovarian, and liver cancer avoid drinking and consuming Star Anise if possible. Star Anise is very distinctive in itself, but it is very similar to a more toxic version that is called the Japanese Star Anise. It is very difficult to tell the two apart, so do take care to ensure that you are purchasing the correct spice. Japanese Star Anise is known to cause nausea and hallucinations because of the neurotoxins that are found in it. It is this particular reason that many people advise against giving children any Star Anise tea. It can induce children to have vomiting episodes or even seizures. However, you choose to enjoy your tea. Always remember that you can always mix up the kinds of spices you choose to brew with the Star Anise. No matter how you choose to make it, the tea has many health benefits, and as long as you are happy with the finished product, there is nothing wrong with that. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 10 amazing hibiscus tea, leaves and juice benefits and uses. Thanks for watching and bye for now.